us on an island somewhere, whether it's Croatia last year, Tunesia this year. Give us a bunch of music and cool people to hang out with. What do you want more? Of course we're gonna connect. We all love the herd!
We are going out to drive jet ski. Woohoo!
Yeah, you really need to get used to letting go after like the tension.
So what I liked yesterday specifically was the building of the logo, because we were distributed in different teams. A lot of people I've never met, I never talked to, and a lot of nice people I met yesterday, so it was a good start to not feel lonely here, so it was a lot of fun.
Very slowly. Now, I want you to actually not choose any of those. We did not choose any.